एग्जाम लिखने के बाद आने वाली है कयामत। हंसी मजाक के दिन हो जाएंगे खुद, हंसी मजाक के दिन हो जाएंगे खुद, कल होंगे ये दिल न जाने कितने मीलों दूर। गुस्सा मुझ पे मत होना यारो, गुस्सा मुझ पे मत होना यारो, अगले साल मुझे भी है रोना, इसलिए पेश किया जाए हुजूरों को उन्हीं के प्यारे फल।
कोई कोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने, क्या ये दिल करे, पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल करे, गम को चबाते जाए सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें, यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी खुल, सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से, भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, भूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही, भूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, आएंगे ना, आएंगे ना. Yo, listen up now, school's out, hear the bell ring, tera kya hoga, I'ma do my thing, I'ma be rich, dressed in bling, I'ma spread ishq and make you sing. School's out, hear the bell ring, tera kya hoga, I'ma do my thing, I'ma be rich, dressed in bling, I'ma spread ishq and make you sing. Theory में कमजोर है practical champion, तोड़ दे हम दीवारों को है बोन्स में कैल्शियम, पढ़ने से जो हो ना हो टीचर से प्यार हो, फ्यूचर हो रास्ते पे आंखों में स्टार्स हो, डर वर घर छोड़े जो भी मिले उससे छेड़े मस्ती में चले, कीड़े बने खाने लगे ऐसे क्यों किताबों को चश्मे लग गए, साइंस पढ़े आर्ट्स पढ़े दिन भी पढ़ी रात पढ़े कुछ भी ना पढ़े, सर पे जो डंडे हैं सिलेबस गंदे हैं फिर भी हम कहें, भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, भूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही, भूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना.
The year gone by witnessed a flurry of online events, but each day we cherish those pleasant offline school days. We may complain about our schoolwork, perhaps we think of our lessons hard. We had much preferred to be out playing. When the time has lost its purple haze, the memories that we will treasure will be long gone. Old school days. With these words, I wish to begin the first phase of honoring our esteemed guest of the day, that is our seniors. Our head boy, Master Rohit Joshi, as the leader of Fleet. Audience, who is the shining star of APS Sauber? Any guesses? Yes, any guesses? It is none other than our head girl, Miss Itika Chauhan.
तेरे पास हर पल रहूं यही आरज़ू है मेरी, सांसों में तेरी महक हो हाथों में हाथ तेरा, मेरे सीने की धड़कन है तू बन गया.
Friends, who deserves to be known as Miss 10 on 10? Any guesses? Any guesses? It is our 2019 Class 10th topper, Miss Ritika Sharma.
Nice to meet you, where you been? I could show you incredible things, magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next Miss mistake. Love's a game, wanna play.
Excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude. These words truly define Master Vikrant Singh Sisodia as Mr. Mathvis.
Know that you can either hate me or love me, but that's just the way I am. I'ma tell 'em all that you can either hate me or love me, but that's just the way I am. 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 That's just the way I am.
I would request the seniors to please switch on their camera when their slot is being announced. I prefer being an all-rounder than a perfectionist. Miss Sweet and Sour, none other than Miss Vaishnavi Jimmy Singh. आपसे वाचन सारे पस्त हैं, वाद विवाद में तो आपके जलवे जबरदस्त हैं. मिस दमयंती विश्वकर्मा as walking Wikipedia.
रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरिया. मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरिया. मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरिया. मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना.
I would request the seniors to please switch on their cameras. Coming next is Master Yugal Pokhriyal as Sugar Coated Pill.
होगा हो तो कमाल सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया आवेश में अरे भैया आवेश में अरे चाचू आवेश में अरे भैया आवेश में.
Albert Einstein rightly said, learn from yesterday, live for today and hope for tomorrow. Perfectly suits on Master Suraj Kumar Behra as Mr. Einstein.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to imagination and life to everything. Let us now watch a musical performance by Swayam.
Thank you, Saram, for this beautiful performance. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. With this, I would like to start with the next phase of title. Self-confidence is one of his qualities. Says a Mr. Perfect, Master Vikrant Singh Rajput. Miss Shruti Bhardwaj is entitled as Miss Perfect.
चांद बारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो है आके पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में पना चांद बारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता
I request seniors to please turn on their cameras. His job of his speech is walking, but his hobby is dancing. Any guesses for the unleashed artist? Okay, he is Master Rahul Dubey.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, got your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Her poetic eyes and heavenly smile, her melodious voice and mystic sight, combining made the finest person one could ever search for. Any guesses for a singing sensation? Seniors, please respond. She is none other than Miss Priti Dubey.
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी मन बीत कराओ जी रा क्यों तरसावे हो मन शकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी अरसले उन्हें भंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर चिबड़ में जागी हो कणी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन
The next we have Master Deepak Oza as Mr. Mallophile.
पहली नजर में कैसे जादू कर दिया तेरा पर बैठा तेरा जिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा मैं हूँ यहाँ क्यों है यहाँ मेरी
दिल में जिसके नृत्य भरा था घुंघरू भी गुलाम हो गए दिल में जिसके नृत्य भरा था घुंघरू भी गुलाम हो गए फिर क्या बसात कदमों की जो वे थिरके ना दिल पे Here we have a twinkle toes Miss Komal Rani.
लगती लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया वो लगदी पंजाब दिया जिस हिसाब ना तक दिया वो लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दिया केड़े शहर दिया
Master Navneet Kumar Singh is entitled as Hunk of the Town.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਦੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਰਾਤ ਵੇ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਬਣਾ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰ ਵੇ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ
The magical essence that lies in your presence isn't found in any of the fragrance. Your personality is full of energy and greatness that every single being praises and witnesses. With this, I would like to call Master Aman Umbre as Mr. Spiceable.
दिल ये हवा में उड़ने लगे हैं हुआ पर आया जी आधे हैं जागे आधे हैं सोए कहाँ ले आया जी दिल ये हवा में उड़ने लगे हैं हुआ पर आया जी आधे हैं जागे आधे हैं सोए कहाँ ले आया जी जब से तुम मिल गए रास्ते खिल गए
Here we are done with this phase of titles. Music touches us emotionally when words alone can't.
So I would like to call Master Aman Kumar Bairagi with his melodious song.
मैम आपको क्या हुआ है?
धूम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे नाना धूम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे धूम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे नाना धूम तो ना दे रे नाना ये हौसला कैसे रुके ये आरज़ू कैसे झुके ये हौसला कैसे रुके ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके मंज़िल मुश्किल तो क्या धुंधला सा हिंदों क्या तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या धूम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे नाना धूम तो ना दे रे नाना राह पे कांटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है शाम छुपाए सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है रुत ये टल जाएगी हिम्मत रंग लाएगी सुबह फिर आएगी तुम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे नाना तुम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे तुम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे नाना तुम तो ना दे रे नाना दे रे थैंक यू
Hey guys, A for apple, B for ball. आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं अपने juniors को C for call. As we know, we have gathered here to bid farewell to our seniors who are moving on from this wonderful school to start their next phase of the life. So, we are also here with the next phase of the titles. Here we go. We accord the title Mr. Chem to Master Ankit Kumar. I would like to request the seniors to please open their camera when their name is called. Okay guys, can you guess who is the lady don of our school? Any guesses?
Ishika.
Yes, she is Miss Ishika Ben.
Ishika.
मेरा सुट पटियाला कितनों को मार डाला हाँ पंजाब दी में कोड़ी सरदारनी जुत्ती मेरी है कि कम सारी कट दिए बम तेरे तो भी ज्यादा बखरा सुहागनी
ओ बखरा सुहागनी drop it
Do you guys know who is the silent observer? Any guesses? Please try at least. Okay, she is Miss Kiran Yadav.
मस्त मगन मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए.
Next we have Master Sunit Yadav as Mr. Funny Bones.
तू ही मेरा मीत है जी तू ही मेरी प्रीत है जी जो लबों से हो सके ना जुदा ऐसा मेरा गीत है जी तू ही मेरा मीत है.
We accord the title title Mr. Modest to Master Amit Kumar Parihar.
कर ले मस्खरी थोड़ी मस्खरी अच्छा खासा काम मस्खरी फोकट में बदनाम मस्खरी दिल को दे आराम मस्खरी पीड़ा हारी बाम हल्की फुल्की सी ठंडी.
We give the title Cent% Innocent to Master Preetpal Singh. Next in the lane, we have Miss Pallavi Santosh as Miss Well Groomed.
मनवा लागे ओ मनवा लागे लागे रे सावरे लागे रे सावरे ले तेरा हुआ जिया का ये गावरे.
We accord the title Miss Charmer to Miss Jia Rawat.
ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬਣ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਟੋਲਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਖ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਚਾਂਦਨੀ ਚੌਂਕ ਚਿੱਤ ਭਾਈ ਜਈ ਪਾਈਆ
Next we have a Khiladi number 1, Master Aditya Swami.
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
Master Mayank Prajapati is entitled as Mr. Google.
Things are right, you just know. There is something in your eyes that brings me home. 'Cause when there's love, you don't let go. So as long as you're with me, you're not alone, you'll never be. I wanna.
With this, we finish off with this phase of the title. Moving on ahead is dance. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears. We dance for madness, we dance for fears. We dance for hopes, we dance for screams. So, please give a huge round of applause and welcome our dancing stars, Miss Hanshika, Miss Sophia, Miss Rafia, Miss Suhasini, Master Deepak and Master Devesh for their dance mashup.
क्यों लम्हे खराब करे आदती बेहिसाब करे कर ले ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आने दो बार नहीं एक बार सही एक रात की कर ले तू यारी
मेरे दी बरेंडा वाले टैग नी आज दस्सा तेनू सोनिए नी फैशन की हुंदा तेरे यार दा सब वखरा स्वैग जे रोल दी जमी मेरे दी बरेंडा वाले टैग नी आज दस्सा तेनू सोनिए नी फैशन की हुंदा तेरे यार दा सब वखरा स्वैग ओ मेरा सुट पटियाला कितनो कमाल दाना हम जावड़ी में कोई सरदार नी तेरी है जी सारी कट दी है मैं तेरे तो भी ज्यादा वखरा स्वैगनी drop it
तेरा मुखड़ा चंदा टुकड़ा नी तेरी ऐनक तेरे शू क्या बात है नी तेरा काजल करदा है पागल हिप्नोटाइज करे जट क्या बात है तेरे लगदा कराची दी जान मारी जानी है बुकाटी दी दिल करी तेरे नाल बन्निया रहा तेरे जिस्म दी खुशबू लाची तेरी अख ते टिका अख ते तो माशाअल्लाह क्या बात है तेरा काजल करता है पागल हिप्नोटाइज करे जट
Or just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Standing up shit and they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody know shit on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Or just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you.
मैं डालूं ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चले धा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई छन छन बोले हमने सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां
सबकी धड़कन कदम से कदम मिला दे शहरों की चाल के जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं के हाल बना दे कर दीवाने माने मजे की कोई ऐसी गाल देख लख लख पर ऐसी गाल ain't nobody like my देसी गाल देख लख लख पर ऐसी गाल सब तो सोनी साड़ी
साची साची तेरी नजरें एक दर्पण बेबे मन की ये खबरें एक पलछिन
अधरों ने कुछ ना कहा रे नैनों ने कह दिया
तूने तो पल भर में चोर किया रे जिया मोरा जिया
तूने भी पल भर में चोर किया
गुमसुम रहने वाली हमारी ये गुजरिया रे। कल 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 बहने लागी जैसे प्रेम की नदियाँ रे।
तुझ संग प्रीत हमने लगाए हैं, तब जाके ये रुत आई है।
तूने तो पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया मोरा जिया।
तूने भी पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया मोरे पिया।
I know you all enjoyed the performance. Let's go ahead. So friends, now we are going to continue with next slot of titles of our seniors whose memories we will cherish forever. We are as pleased as Punch to have such characters in our company. There are some champ in our school whose personality reflects in form of keenness, competence and vitality. So first is Master Ajay, given title of Busy Bee.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में पकड़ी तड़क भड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल में के भागे हम या भीगे हम मकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो।
Here comes Master Shubham Kumar, who is best characterized as Mr. Follow Me.
तू आके देख ले ओ मैंने रातें कितनी सारी तेरी यादों में गुजारी सोनिए सोनिए। तू आके देख ले ओ मैंने रातें कितनी सारी तेरी यादों में गुजारी सोनिए सोनिए।
Guys, any guess for Kabaddi King? Yes, please.
आनंद
अमन ओझा।
Yes, you're right. He is none other than Anand Kumar Giri.
ਧੰਬੋ ਠੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸੁੱਤੀ ਹਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਜੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਬੇਵਾਨਾ ਭਾਲਦੇ ਕੋਪੇ ਵਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਠੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਣ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ।
And next is Harsh Sen, who is Mr. Dynamic of our school.
कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, क्यों है ये कैसे है ये तू बता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता।
Do you know my favorite flower is tulip? And now we have Kiran Dilip, given title of Miss Congeniality.
नैन ने बन दिया खिले में जाए तुमने गाया छे, नैन ने बन दिया खिले में जाए तुमने गाया छे, तुम ही तुम हो मेरी सांसों में और हो ख्यालों में, नैन ने बन दिया खिले में जाए तुमने गाया छे।
Friends, any opinion for fitness icon of 2021 batch?
अमन ओझा।
Yeah, you are right. It's Aman Kumar Oza as fitness icon.
You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'll never इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया, इतना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया.
I request seniors to please turn on their camera when their name is slotted. We have Master Sudarshan, titled as Decent Devo.
मिला हूँ अब जो तुमसे, है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला, सुकून मिला.
What all of you could guess about title Mr. Encyclopedia? Yes, please try. You may be their best friend or it could be favorite student of some teacher. Please repeat. All right, Mr. Encyclopedia is Avinash Singh Yadav. The next personality, Master Prashant Bishwal, is finest narrated as the Splinter.
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह,
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह.
I request you all to share emojis as per your emotions toward our program. So, okay, it seems you all are bored. So now, let's have some fun before we continue with our performance. We have a game, listen and guess, planned for all of you. It will be presented by my friend Aman and Swayam. The game is as follows. Tunings of songs will be played on guitar and keyboard. You will have to unmute yourself and guess name of song. The one who will answer first will be winner. Do participate enthusiastically. We promise to give a virtual certificate to winner of game. Listen and guess. Let's start round 1. Any guesses?
मैं अगर कहूँ
तुमको पाया है.
Yes.
ओम शांति.
तुमको पाया है.
ओम शांति.
Okay, let me clear the answer. The correct answer is तुम्हें पाया है जो जैसे खोया हूँ. Round 2.
पहला नशा.
पहला नशा पहला खून.
Pehla Nasha is the correct answer. You all are winners who have replied. You all will be provided virtual certificates by us. Round 3.
दिलवाले.
दिलवाले.
जन्म.
दिलवाले.
जन्म.
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 जन्म जन्म
जन्म जन्म
The correct answer is Janam Janam. The correct answer is Janam Janam. Fourth round.
सनम रे सनम रे
जन्म रे
Yes, that's correct. Sanam Re. Fifth round.
दो लफ्जों दो लफ्जों
Yes,
सर
the
आंसर
correct
बता
answer
रहे हैं
is दो लफ्जों की कहानी. Now, sixth and last round. So be careful, and you might be the winner of this last round. So here it begins.
अग्निपथ
अग्निपथ
मेरी अधूरी कहानी
अभी मुझ में कहीं अभी मुझ में कहीं
अभी मुझ
अभी
में
मुझ
कहीं
में कहीं
जिंदगी रही
यार।
दूर
अभी मुझ में कहीं
अभी मुझ में कहीं
अभी मुझ में कहीं
Yeah, correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is अभी मुझ में कहीं. A very well played game, I suppose. But continuing further, I have a little question for all of you. Anyone? 2020 batch is the current name of King Boss. Listen and guess. Now I pass on to Surdeep for continuing with party. 2020 batch is the only batch in the whole world who will be missing out real life farewell and farewell party. But we have left no stone unturned and have put all the efforts to make this day memorable. With this, I would like to start with the next phase. So, here I call upon Master Avinash Kumar Singh with the title Computer Maestro.
सखियां ने मैनू मेरे मार दिया कुट्टियां ने चन्ना गल्लां प्यार दिया शाम नू तू किथे किदे नाल हुन्ना आ देखिया मैं फोटोआं बेकार दिया मैनू डर जिहा लगदा ए दिल टुट ना जाए बेचारा तेरे यार बथेरे ने मेरा तू ही है बस यारा तेरे यार
Character, intelligence, and strength makes the beauty. With this, here comes Miss Preeti Ghosh as a brainstormer.
तेरे मेरे दरमिया है बातें अनकही तू वहाँ है मैं यहाँ क्यों साथ हम नहीं फैसले जो किए फासले ही मिले राहें जुदा
Angels can fly because they carry no burdens. With this, we have Miss Adiba Ali as a daredevil angel.
तेरी वॉक तेरी टॉक बड़ी ग्रैंड वॉक तेरी टॉक बड़ी ग्रैंड तू नीरी फैशन कुड़िए दे देने ब्रांड तू निरी
Guys, do you have any idea about the silent killer?
फिर से
दूसरा
Guys, do you have any idea about silent killer? So it's other than Sanjeev Kumar Mishra.
खामोशियां आवाज है तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी दिल का घर इनको बुलाओ कभी
Friends, next we have Nandita Sharma, who is best described as Miss Generous.
ले जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बारी हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता
Now we have Priyam Dikshit with the title Mr. Lanky.
सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम थे सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम थे क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम थे क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते
Now we have Radha Parihar with the title Miss I Know More.
मैं बनी तेरी राधा मैंने सखियों से अखियों में रखना है तुझको पिया थोड़ा ज्यादा ज्यादा मैं बनी तेरी राधा तूने सपनों तड़पनों में रखना है मुझको पिया थोड़ा ज्यादा ज्यादा
You don't play for the crowd, you play for the country. This quote by MS Dhoni perfectly suits on Master Aniket Sahu as Mr. Cricketaholic.
You're like a mist in the morning. You're the moment, body warming. I can't resist where you're going. Make me an ocean, overflowing. Sweet dreams of love, keeping me up, can't get enough.
So here we call Kumari Pratiksha with the title Miss Nightingale.
बरसरिया मुन्निया बेकचिया कलिया ना तोड़ बरसरिया मुन्निया बेकचिया कलिया ना तोड़ तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे से बोल तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे से बोल बरसरिया
Whole world loved the clown. So here we have Master Himanshu Kumar Ahirwar as a class clown.
So take game and fly away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. And I'm on my way. The black moon is on the rise. A fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. And I'm on my way.
Singers who know the art of singing are no less than doctors. So let's welcome Miss Naina Kumari and Master Devanshu Kumar for the duet song.
मुस्कुराने की वजह तुम हो गुनगुनाने की वजह तुम हो, जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे, जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे, और लम्हे तू कहीं मत जा, हो सके तो उम्र भर थमे जा, जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे।
धूप आए तो छाओ तुम लाना, ख्वाहिशों की बारिशों में भीग संग जाना, धूप आए तो छाओ तुम लाना, ख्वाहिशों की बारिशों में भीग संग जाना, जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे, जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना और पिया रे, पिया रे। थैंक यू।
That was a wonderful performance. Guys, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, Nana and Devanshu. I hope you all must have enjoyed their performance. Now, I hand over to Aishwarya to continue the program.
थैंक यू सुरभि। कोरोना ने मचा रखी है महामारी, कोरोना ने मचा रखी है महामारी, कोई भी स्टूडेंट नहीं खेल पाया अपने स्कूल लाइफ की आखिरी पारी। With these lines, I would like to start the next phase of the titles. We accord the title Miss Elegant to Miss Arina Namdev.
हाय नखरा तेरा नी, हाय रे तेरे गबरू मारे, हाय नी मुंडे पागल हो गए ने, तेरे गिन गिन लगदे हुलारे। Brown brown skin.
Further, we have Master Priyanshu Patel as Mr. Helping Hand.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys of the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I look for love and every stranger took too much easy anger all for you. Yeah.
Any guesses for the chili sauce? Yes, seniors, please respond.
Can you
Any
repeat?
guesses for the chili sauce? She is Miss Akansha Yadav.
नखरे क्यों कर दिया मैनू जचदा नहीं, कितना सवाल कर दिया ना मैं सुनता नहीं, होर दस कितनी तारीफ चाहिदी है तैनू, होर दस कितनी तारीफ चाहिदी है तैनू।
We accord the title Mr. Olympia to Master Lokesh Khatri.
बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल मारे ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल मारे ना ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जाने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल मारे ना।
Next we have Miss Yushra Ali as Miss Fashion Pilot. Here is our jolly good fellow, Master Kavendra Singh Lodhi.
बस खाने पीने जीले क्योंकि जिंदगी है शॉर्ट अरे रे पगले फिकर नॉट 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 जो भी होगा होने दे होने से अरे पगले फिकर नॉट.
Next in the lane, we have Miss Kumari Reena as Miss Serene.
पटोला नखरा स्वैग सूट पटियाला शाही चुन्नी तेरी ब्लैक ओ मुंडे होके पर पे तेनू तक तक के नचे जदो हाथ तू लाके उत्ते रख के
We accord the title Mr. Quietude to Master Farhan Khan.
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
Now we call upon Miss Chatterbox, that is Meenakshi Yadav.
ये लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है ये लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है ये लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है ये लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है.
Further, we have our Eid Ka Chand, Master Parthiv Kumar.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद जलने लगा आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा मैं ठहरा रहा ज़मीं चलने लगी.
Here we finish off with this phase. So let's have some fun. Dancing is a mixture of emotion and passion. Every posture, every rhythm has a lot to say. It gives us freedom to showcase our abilities. With these lines, I would like to call upon Miss Anjali Negi for her marvelous performance.
हुआ चारों ओर शहनाई शोर तू मेरी ओर चल निकला चढ़ प्रेम लोर हो दिल के चोर कर मेरी बार मुख निकला सजना मैं तेरे कौन तेरे दिल में बन के तुम्हीं से मेरी कौन तेरे दिल में.
It was amazing of you, Anjali, for such awesome performance. Now let's begin with the last phase. So here is Miss Shraddha, who is best identified as creative thinker.
मैं देखूं तेरी फोटो सौ बार कुड़े मैं देखूं तेरी फोटो सौ बार कुड़े के उठदे तूफान सीने विच सौ बार कुड़े के उठदे तूफान सीने विच सौ बार कुड़े.
Next is Master Saksham Sagar, titled as Mr. You Can't Beat Me.
साज तू तेरा तर्ज में तू है दवा और मर्ज में दिलदार तू खुद गर्ज में है गीत तू तेरे लफ्ज में तू है दुआ और फर्ज में आजाद तू और कर्ज में है शाम तू तारीफ में तू चैन है तकलीफ में तुझसे साज तू तेरा तर्ज में तू साज तू.
Upcoming personality is Master Ankit Kumar Rai, who is personalized as Tessie Turn.
सुरीली अखियों वाले सुना है तेरी अखियों से बहती है नींदें और नींदों में सपने कभी तो किनारे पे उतर मेरे सपनों से आजा ज़मीं पे और मिल जा कहीं पे.
$1 million smile. I request teachers also to give some indication about titles. Yes. So, Miss Muskan Kumari is $1 million smile. Here comes Master Ashish Kumar, who is best known as Mr. Mysterious.
सुरीली अखियों वाले सुना है तेरी कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है
Guys, don't miss out the day as we are having Sakshi Punore titled as Miss Nimble Feet.
तू नज्म नज्म सा मेरे होठों पे ठहर जा मैं ख्वाब ख्वाब सा तेरी आंखों में जागूं रे तू इश्क इश्क सा मेरे रूह में आके बस जा जिस ओर तेरी शहनाई उस ओर मैं भागूं रे
Now, it's Master Suryakant, best characterized as the superficial thinker.
तुमसे ही दिन होता है सुरमई शाम आती है तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है जिंदगी कहलाती है तुमसे ही
We have right here Master Himanshu Shekhar, titled as Mr. Beatboxer. Friends, don't be in pain. We are having Master Tahir Hussain, finest narrated as Mr. Reserved. Many of us would have heard Singh is King. Here we have King Master Ishan Singh, effectively titled as Mr. Bean.
My baby, I love your voice. Oh, my baby, on my leg. Baby, oh, my baby, I love your voice. Oh, my baby, on my leg.
Hope so. You all are enjoying the party. Keep motivating us by sharing emojis. Now, let me take your leave and Surbi will carry on party.
क्लासरूम में मस्ती थी, हमारी भी कुछ हस्ती थी। ट्यूशंस का सहारा था, दिल ये आवारा था। कहाँ आ गए इस कॉलेज के चक्कर में, वो 9th-10th का टाइम ही प्यारा था। So, I request if any of the senior want to come forward and share their feelings and memories with us, you are most welcome to do that. We are eager to listen to you. You are requested to raise your hand first. So here we start with Meenakshi Yadav. You may turn on your mic and speak.
Yeah, yeah. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, classmates, and my fellow juniors. With a very heavy heart, I would like to say that today, finally the day had come to bite Idol to all of you. But before that, I would like to share my experiences of my Tangle journey in this school. I am very grateful for the last 4 years I have been in this school. When I came to this school, I was an introvert student, but still my classmates, friends, and teachers encouraged me whenever I needed, whether it's academic or co-curricular activities. Therefore, I would like to thank them all. My special thanks to and the heartiest gratitude towards Jeevni ma'am, Sonal ma'am, Maya ma'am, and Honorable Principal ma'am. The students are like the clay. These teachers have molded me into a very good person. I will never forget the moral values they taught to me. I would like to thank them all for providing me the responsibilities of being the many vice captains and thinking me capable of it in these recent years. I will never forget these unforgettable and priceless memories, and it will always remain in my heart. The time we spent, the bonds we made with each other had become an inseparable part of my life. I would like to bind up with the quote with that farewell is not the end and it cannot be. It's just a goodbye to student life. I am I am really sad to leave this campus and finish this chapter of my life, but I am also very much eager to see what the future holds. Let us all be optimistic about the future and always be ready to face whatever life throws at us. Thank you once again. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Sorry, thank you all the teachers and students for the awesome farewell.
Now here we go with Yugal Pokhriyal.
A very good evening to everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to show my heartiest gratitude towards our honorable principal ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Due, to making this thing happen. And I'm very, very happy that even due to this unprecedented situations, you made this thing happen. And the heartiest congratulations to the juniors. They actually did really, really well, and I really did enjoy it. And I hope it's the same with everyone who joined us today. It was kind of memory we created today. It was so powerful. It was so emotional. And looking at this thing that you guys have prepared, it made me so emotional. I had prepared a big speech today to speak about my school, but the thing is actually these emotions have bounded me, so I'm not able to speak that well. I'm very sorry, but yeah, it was so good. And I will remember my teachers, I will remember everyone, and especially I will remember my friends, that what we have shared together and everything we have gone through. And I hope that at the last, again, we will come through all these difficulties and every unprecedented situations in the future. Before ending, I would like to share a poem that is very close to my heart, and here it is. Hold on, they said. You are a dandelion in the breeze. Look what the winds of change have done to all this autumn leaves. Hold on. This big wide world is not for you. Hold on for long enough for the last gust to dance in through. So I held on. They said that's how you know you are strong. But not until I wilted did I notice something wrong. I thought holding on was bravery, but when winds of change do blow, sometimes it's even braver still to let go, to let go. Thank you so much, everyone. It was so good, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Master Yugal Pokhriyal and Miss Meenakshi Yadav. Now we can start with Master Anand Kumar Giri.
Good evening, respected principal ma'am, teachers, my juniors, and all dear classmates. I Anand Kumar Giri of class 12B. It's a pleasure for me to speak here at this farewell party. I am in the school from 4th standard and gained so many memories which will always be in my heart till the end of my life. I would like to thank all my amazing teachers who always teach us the great lessons and the moral values and always support and care for us. We all love you unconditionally. I would like to thank especially Principal Ma'am, Sumit Sir, and Maya Ma'am to teach us such a great lesson and make us a great human being. And I have learned so many things from them which will help in me in further life. Thank you so much. We will miss these days.
Thank you so much, Anand Kumar Giri. Now we are here with Shubham Kumar.
Good evening to the principal ma'am, teachers, my juniors, and all my dear classmates. I am Shubham Kumar of class 12B. It's a pleasure for me to speak here. I had joined this school in class 11, and at that time, I never thought that these 2 years will be so challenging for me. I learned n numbers of things from this school related to academics, social and moral values, and sports as well. And this is all because of our hardworking and supportive teachers who made us capable enough to step out and face the bigger world. Once again, I would like to thank all my teachers, especially Sumit sir and Maya ma'am, for being such an amazing teacher. I feel so fortunate to have them in my class. They gave us the tools I need to face in my future. At last, I would like to thank those without whom I could not spend all these years in school. Not mentioning them will be a sin for me. Thank you to all my classmates, my friends. I'll miss you all and meet you as soon as possible. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for organizing this wonderful farewell. At last, I would like to say that this is not the end, this is the beginning. I wish a bright and prosperous future to everyone. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you so much, Master Shubham Kumar. Now we will start with Radha Parihar.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for this beautiful farewell party. Now I want to say some lines for my school friends and seniors, two juniors. ये स्कूल की मस्ती, ये स्कूल के प्यार बहुत याद आएंगे यार. ये टीचर की डांट, ये यारों का प्यार, रात घर पे सुबह फिर से मिलने का इंतजार. पीरियड का चलना, टिफिन का खुलना, ये रोज सीट की लड़ाई, एक दूसरे की पिटाई, ये लेक्चर के बीच में हंसी और वो मस्ती. स्कूल में बहुत से काम न दिखना, बर्थडे पर हीरोइन से कम न लगना, स्टेज पे डांस, ये फेयरवेल की तैयारी, ये सब बहुत याद आएंगे यार. कुछ टाइम बाद जब अलग हो जाएंगे, ये दिन फिर कहाँ मिल पाएंगे. ये प्यारे दोस्त बहुत आएंगे, तुम बहुत याद आओगे यार. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, seniors, for your words. We hope we'll have a wonderful journey ahead. Today, let's celebrate all the memories we have made together down the lane in these classrooms and corridors through so many years. Now, I request Dr. J.K. Sir to say few words for our seniors and wish them luck for their bright future.
Good evening, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Today's moment of this farewell party is just like a physical change. Now, we will be with us, you will be with us for a long time, and we will be making a history for the APS, and you will achieve your goal very soon. After few months, I wish you very, very best of luck. Stay healthy, happy, and shape. Good luck. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for these wonderful words. Beautiful things don't ask for attention. With this, I request Sonal Jaishekhar ma'am to enlighten us with some inspirational thoughts.
Good evening, respected principal ma'am, all my dear colleagues, and all my loving students. A teacher is very happy when she is able to see the bright and happy faces of his or her students. But a teacher is happier when, in fact, I should say happiest when she is able to see her students climbing up the stairs of success. And let me tell you, the day is going to come soon when we are going to quote examples of all our students who are going out of this school, and we are going to tell your forthcoming juniors about your success stories. The day is going to come soon, surely. Children, one thing I want to tell you is that this COVID has taught you that life is not a bed of roses. But remember one thing, school has taught you so many values. Whatever you have learned in your school life, it is going to be with you and it is going to bring out the best version of you. So keep growing and keep achieving success in your life. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for these motivational words. A perfect day is when the soul smiles. Now, I would like to request Sumit sir to say few words for our loving seniors.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, respected principal ma'am, all my teachers, and all my dear students. So here your school life is getting over, and now you are entering a new world, a world full of more freedom and more opportunities. And I hope that all of you will unleash all the opportunities and will use it for your growth and development. And we expect that APS has given you wings to fly, and we hope that all of you will make us proud. All of you will make your APS family proud. All of you will make your parents proud, and you will reach new heights in life. And I pray to God that may God keep you healthy, wise, and happy always in whatever you do and wherever you are. So all of you, all the best for in all your future endeavors, and we are going to miss you, all of you, and a very great life ahead, and all the best. And we are always in your contact, so whenever you feel, it's not that your school life is over, so our role in your life is over. Whenever you feel coming back to APS to meet your teachers and our guidance, please to remember that us, doors of APS and doors of teachers are always open to all of you. So all the best and good day to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. There are some achievers whose personality reflects in the form of power, enthusiasm, and energy. So, I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Dubey, to announce the most awaited titles of the year and share her motivational words with us.
Good evening, dear students and all my dear teachers. I hope I'm audible to all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Good
Good
evening
evening,
to
ma'am.
all of you. Good evening. Students, before announcing the titles for the current academic session, I wish to tell you wholeheartedly that you all are very, very special. You all are very special. We are giving special titles to few students, but that doesn't mean the other students of mine lack in caliber lack in creativity, or they lack in any such quality which would qualify you to be Master APS or Miss APS. It's only a matter of that these students have been performing maybe a bit better than you. But let me tell you, you all are unique. And therefore, as and when I'm announcing the title, I want all of you to be very happy and to give a huge round of applause to all these achievers, because they all symbolize the students of APS Sagar. Their individual identity is just because they have been the student of APS. So before speaking to you what I really feel about all of you, let me first of all announce the most awaited titles of the year. This year, we do have the student of the year. Any guesses, children? Who could be the student of the year?
Rohit Joshi.
Yugal Pokhriyal.
Okay. Any other guesses?
Itika.
Itika.
So the student of the year 2020-21 session is Miss Ritika Sharma.
Ooh, yay!
Ritika, switch on your video, beta. Switch on your video. It's a memorable moment for all of us. Moving ahead with the second title, Master APS. Any guesses?
Yugal.
Rohit.
Any other guesses? Yes, children?
Yugal.
So Master APS is Master Avinash Singh. Moving on to the next category, Miss APS 2021-22 session goes to
Itika.
Correct, Miss Itika Chauhan. And this year we have 3 students in the category of the all-rounder students of APS Sagar. The first student in this category is none other than Master Yugal Pokhriyal. The second all-rounder of APS Sagar is Miss Vaishnavi Singh. And the third student in this category is Master Shubham Kumar. I wish to convey my wholehearted compliments to all these students on their achievement. Now, children, you are on the verge of these last school days of your life. I know most of you have been in the school since class 1. The kind of memories that you have with APS Sagar will definitely remain intact in your heart. Me, as the principal of this prestigious school, it's a highly emotional moment for me. Due to this pandemic, children, we couldn't bid offline farewell to you all. But that doesn't mean our love and concern for you people have been less. I wholeheartedly appreciate the efforts being put in by the students of class 11 by bidding an excellent farewell to you all. I want teachers and students to applaud the efforts being put in by the students and by a special thanks to Sonal and Sumit, the way they have been looking after the program. Children, though we are bidding farewell to you, but you will always remain an inevitable part of this organization. You will always be remembered as students of that batch which suffered so much. But irrespective of this fact, you all were ready to appear in the board examination. Had it been that the exams would have been conducted, my students would have produced historical results this year. And I take a lot of pride in saying that. I wholeheartedly wish all of you greater success in your life. Be what you want to be, children. But always remember one thing. Always make your parents feel proud of you, because they are the ones who have been imagining what you'll be after a few years. So as a guardian to you all, I just would like to say one thing, that you should look into the eyes of your parents, and then you will see the dream which they have for all of you. And the day that dream becomes your own dream, the success ratio or the happiness quotient will be unimaginable. A lot of love and blessings to all of you children. Whenever you'll be coming to school to collect your report cards, you all are most welcome to come to my office. Those students who have been given titles today, your crowns, your sashes are there with me in my office. I'll be handing over it to you the way it is supposed to be done. Mementos for all my beloved students will be given by me myself in my office the day you'll be coming to take your report cards and your transfer certificates. I wish you all greater success in your life, children. So much of love and blessings to you all, children. God bless you. Thank you so much. And I'm very sorry that I couldn't conduct offline farewell for you people, but then we wanted to do something for you all. And therefore, this farewell was just a small gesture of love towards all my dear students. Thank you so much, children. God bless you.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। संगीत वह व्यक्त कर देता है जिसे कहा नहीं जा सकता, और जिस पर चुप रहना तो बिल्कुल ही नामुमकिन होता है। इसी के साथ मैं मास्टर अमन कुमार बैरागी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी मंत्र मुक्त कर देने वाले गीत के साथ।
जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार में, कांटों पे चलेंगे साए बहार, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार में, कांटों पे चलेंगे साए बहार, और करती है मंजिल तुझको इशारे, देख कहीं कोई रोक नहीं ले तुझको पुकारती, और राही राही और राही राही।
धन्यवाद अमन। कल ना हम होंगे ना कोई गिला होगा, कल ना हम होंगे ना कोई गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा। जो लम्हे हैं चलो हंसकर बिता लें, जो लम्हे हैं चलो हंसकर बिता लें, जाने कल जिंदगी का क्या फैसला होगा। Last but not the least, I would like to thank our seniors who are embarking upon their future journey. I would like to wish them best of luck in their future endeavors. I would like to request all the seniors to turn on their camera for group photograph. Thank you and have a successful future ahead. Seniors, you all are requested to turn on your cameras.